Back to Financier Pro, guys. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe, comment below. Someone asked me, what is that? That is a Bobcat miner. I mine crypto. So if you want to know more about that, I can make a video on that as well. I have been mining crypto for the last couple years, mostly Algorand. So people will say technically you can't mine Algorand, but if you mine Monero, you can turn it into Algorand crypto, as in payments towards you. So that's the blockchain. But Bobcat mines Helium. Helium as well. That was like before it dropped all the way down to the ground. It was like 30 something dollars, I believe, per coin that you buy. So if you mining that, you're earning that, as you know, you're the only thing you invested in is that miner, that Bobcat miner, which took a long time. But anyway, let's get back to the main video. The main topic is how to make money on TikTok. TikTok is probably the best algorithm platform that I've been on in my life so far. The algorithm is faster and better than YouTube to me, Facebook, but TikTok doesn't pay as much as YouTube yet as far as ad money. One day I believe they'll catch up because they are kicking Meta or Facebook butt as far as, or slash Instagram, as far as video content and people being on there more than they are on Facebook. If you go on TikTok and you open the app up, you might see some real funny stuff like cracking up crazy things. You might see a lot of women shaking, you know what I mean, like dancing on there. That gets a lot of views. We're going to talk about that. People with their shirts off, exercising, that gets a lot of views. Most of the things that get views on there to me are comedy, skits. If you are funny or you make comedy skits or whatever, those type of skits get most of the views to me on there. There's one guy on there who doesn't make a sound, but he's like one of the most popular people on earth on TikTok. I forgot his name. I'm sorry, but he lives in Italy. He's from Africa, but he lives in Italy now. So you've probably seen him on there, but that's, I looked at his videos and he has one of the funniest skits type of content on there, on the platform, on any platform, to be honest with you. So that's what it's all about. It's all about creating a brand. What is your brand? What are you good at? A lot of people on there are introverts, so they're at home all the time, but they reach out into the world by creating content through social media. That's their safe zone, which is cool. So create your brand. Number two is post content that people want to watch. What are they watching on there? Study the competition. Study people that you want to have a blueprint and build your blueprint like. So you have to watch their content. Subscribe to their videos. That's what social media is all about. I don't understand why people always share celebrity stuff and they don't never share their own friend stuff. That's what's crazy to me. So it's all about posting content and watching it. Get followers. The more content you put on there, the funnier it is. People catch it. They're going to subscribe because they want to laugh or they want to look at you know how to dance. Dancing videos are like number two to me on there, is behind skits. So if you're on the beach looking nice, dancing on there to nice music, or you're at the house, whatever it is, I've seen older people on there dancing and they get hella views. Hella views. Doesn't matter if they got their shirt off, they're in bikini. I've seen women on there in bikinis in Brazil. They're dancing. Man, I'm telling you, it's a different world and different cultures on there. Like I've seen cultures making food and they're eating the food. Whether it's frog legs, they're grilling outside. This is stuff that you really don't necessarily see on Facebook because Facebook algorithm limits you to those certain demographics. If you're not already connected with that, that's one thing that I noticed about TikTok. It doesn't limit the demographics. So if the videos on there and they start to get traction, Everyone will see it. You can be in countries I can't even name, and they're outside chilling. I see this guy in Japan, and I notice his music is almost like Pop Smoke over here in New York, and he has the New York hat on, and he has millions of followers. He gets millions of views. He does music and he dances in like the city of Tokyo, I believe, and it's nice. I mean, it's just laid back. He's in the gold van sometimes. This is what people are paying attention to. This is the new news outlet. This is the new movie outlet or whatever. When it comes to social media, TikTok is the new wave. So if you don't get on the new wave, you're going to be left behind, especially if you have a brand. You have a clothing brand, fashion. Get on there, have people market your brand, pay them to market your brand, to dance in your brand, or whatever it is, man. People will pick up on it. If they like it, they will subscribe to it, and they will keep looking at it. They will come back. That's what it's all about. You want the people to come back and just have a good time mentally. You know what I mean? They want to like it. So influencer marketing is how you can get paid. When we talk about, this is after you build your profile and you got 10,000 followers. I believe it's 10,000 followers, 5 to 10,000 watch time on there. That's when you can start getting paid from advertisement. But that's not the only way. You got influencer marketing, which they pay you, sponsored content posts. If you got millions of followers, millions of views on there, they're going to be reaching out to you. You don't even have to track these people down. They will find you, you know. So branded merchandise. If you have beauty products, you sell not eyebrows, but eyelashes. You sell hair, makeup, shoes. You design your own shoes. I've seen people on there paint shoes or whatever it's called. Whatever you good at, master it, because other people will notice it, and if other people can relate to it, they will come back and watch your videos. They will subscribe or follow. TikTok consultant. Once you get good at making money on there, you got a lot of followers, you got a lot of views, you can make videos on other platforms as a TikTok consultant. You can have a website set up as a TikTok consultant. You know, people will notice this and they will want to pay you for your services, your time. Time is valuable once you master something. Master it. You know, it takes time for all. This is not overnight success. These platforms are not overnight success. So don't even think that. Put your craft to work. Work on that every single day and master your craft. A lot of people get on there thinking they can make a quick buck overnight. It's not going to happen like that. And I'm here to tell you, something like that comes fast, the money comes fast, the money goes fast. You're going to spend it like crazy. That's why a lot of these people that end up winning the lottery go broke within the first year or two. So you want to, if you put the time in it and you work on mastering your craft, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. So those are ways you can make money on TikTok. As a start out as a side hustle, but who knows, if you keep working at it, you can make it become a full-time gig, you know, a full-time gig one day, you know, and still do your thing. So you guys, if you have any more ideas on TikTok, making money on that, or anything related to TikTok, please comment below. I'll see you guys next time on Financier Pro.